How to increase Telegram download speed. So if you want to increase your Telegram download speed, then what you can do is first open up your Telegram application. Once you open your Telegram, now you need to simply go for the search, which is on the upper right, and simply search for link to file bot. And here it will take you to this kind of bot, which is file to link bot, or link to file bot is the same thing. So if you simply tap on that, then you will have an interface where you can simply tap on start, and then you can hit the enter. And once you hit the enter and once you start the message, now what you can do is you can simply go back and you can simply choose your video. So for example, if you want to download this video, then what you can do is simply go for the upper right of that video, which has that three dots icon, and then you need to tap on forward, and you need to forward that video to the bot. So simply tap on that and then you need to send that. And once you've sent, you can simply go for the upper right, which has that three dots, and now from here you can tap on save to download, and then it will automatically download the video. So that's how you can download any videos with the full speed, or that's how you can increase the Telegram download speed. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.